your knee. And as with the seated flossing exercise, you want to straighten the leg up and bring your toes up until you feel a little bit of tension. Hi, my name's Matt. I'm from myPhysioSA and I work as a spinal physiotherapist. I'm here today to talk to you about nerve tension and the exercise we can do for that, which is neural flossing or nerve mobilisation exercises. Now, often what happens when you have lower back pain is sometimes you can end up with irritation around a nerve, and that doesn't mean the nerve is damaged and it doesn't mean there's a risk of it becoming damaged, but the nerve itself is designed to move and it's designed to glide back and forwards through the spinal canal when you move. And if something happens which causes that to be irritated, then that can actually cause neural tension and give you pain in the leg. So one way you can do neural flossing exercises in sitting, and the idea here is you want to try and slouch a little bit in sitting, and then you're going to move your leg upwards by straightening it up and bringing your toes towards you. Now that is actually naturally going to put tension on the leg whilst you do that. So what you can then do is actually move your head to try and take some tension off at the same time as you're putting tension on in the leg. So what you can do then is you slouch, you're going to lift the leg up and look up slightly, and then you're going to bring the leg down and bring your head back down at the same time. And so that ends up giving a flossing or a movement of the nerve through range. Alright, the other way you can do a nerve mobilisation or nerve flossing exercise is lying on your back. So what you do is you lift your leg up and hold behind your knee. And as with the seated flossing exercise, you want to straighten the leg up and bring your toes up until you feel a little bit of tension. Okay, and then in that position, what we're actually going to do is just back off there, and then we're going to move the foot up and down in that position. And as you point the toes, you're going to lift the head gently off the pillow and then relax back down and bring your toes up. And that's another way you can do a neural flossing exercise. So just a couple of quick notes on those neural flossing exercises. Firstly, we want to actually get movement and not feel any tension or any pain or discomfort. So if you are experiencing any of that, then you're likely to be trying to move too far and you just need to back off the movement a little bit. The other thing I'd recommend is that you repeat it 10 times and then do that 3 times a day. Most importantly, it is just a general guide, and there are lots of ways that physio can help give you further advice and guidance about how to tailor it more specifically to you.